on her wrecking rampage at the moment. She's dismantled a quarter of the alphabet and the numbers mat, as you can see. She's pretty much dismantled that. Now she's going towards Peekaboo Forest. So this is her little quadrant that we've got here. So hopefully this will last, but it looks like she's pretty much got 3 actually. She's dismantled 3 already. And she's working on the next one. Yeah. Look at Cordelia. Having a good old time on a Sunday just before Daddy cooks fried rice. Hey, sweetheart? Daddy's going to have to vacuum more often. Ah la la. Dung ding dung 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 dung, a dung ding dung dung dung, a dung ding dung 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 dung, a dung ding dung dung dung, a dung ding dung 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 dung, a dung ding dung dung dung. Getting too close to the wall there, gorgeous.